wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best food choppers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Hamilton Beach Stack features a quality glass bowl that resists stains and scratches. With a simple press-to-chop operation, it minces and purees in a jiffy, and its 3-cup capacity is impressive given its compact design. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and both the bowl and blade are dishwasher safe. However, it doesn't cut ingredients evenly. At number 9, slicing fruits and vegetables won't be such hard work with the Brieftons blender, which features sharp stainless steel blades and an easy-to-use ripcord. Maintenance is painless too, as it's simple to dismantle, and most of the components are dishwasher safe. It comes with a gentle soft grip lid, and there are 2 cup size options, but it does require some strength to pull the string. Coming in at number 8 in our list, convenient and consistent, the Fullstar Slicer Pro is a compact design that eliminates the need for bulky devices and helps save space in your kitchen. It's made of strong ABS plastic with different blades for handling soft and hard foods. It includes a spiralizer attachment and the blades snap in and out easily. However, note that you do have to wear a protective glove. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food choppers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the compact yet powerful Ninja Express is a potent slicer and mincer with blending and chopping capabilities, which makes it a highly versatile option. It has an anti-spill splash guard for serving sauces and dressings without creating a mess. It features a non-slip base, a BPA-free container, and pulse technology for consistency. Moving up our list to number 6. Preparing your ingredients just the way you like them is simple with the efficient Pampered Chef Cutting Edge, which allows you to dice large chunks of vegetables for a delicious stew, or mince onion and garlic down to a near puree for a pasta sauce. The blade stays sharp for years, and it's equipped with a sturdy, removable rubber base and a form-fitting handle. Halfway up our list at number 5, the multi-bladed zyliss manual processor is helpful when you want to dice and blend lots of ingredients quickly and effectively. It can hold up to 25 ounces with special arms on the top and bottom to keep food from sticking to the inside of the bowl. It's ideal for salsas and smoothies and comes with an easy-to-pull 2-foot cord in an attractive minimalist design. At number 4, designed to cut through anything you throw in it with just one press, the Müeller Cutter Pro is more powerful than it looks. It's made of high-quality BPA-free plastic and even contains onion vapors, so you won't end up in tears during your prep work. It comes with a cleaning brush and a durable 4-cup container. All the parts are dishwasher safe. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with 7 functions, the Ultra Chef Express does it all. It has triple-bladed attachments for slicing, shredding, and grating, and includes a citrus juicer too. Its durable, oversized crank makes quick work of tough vegetables, hard cheeses, and even nuts. The blades are made from surgical steel, and it's easy to take apart and clean. The sealed bowl contains odors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food choppers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, perfect for small jobs in a 1 or 2 person household, the mini yet mighty Proctor Silex Durable boasts a user-friendly design with few bells and whistles. It uses a powerful 300-watt motor to chop, mince and puree everything from cheese and nuts to herbs and veggies. It's been performance tested for reliability and takes up very little counter space. It's priced right for tight budgets. And taking the top spot on our list, once you load up the ingredients and secure the lid, the Cuisinart Plus does the rest of the work for you. It's very powerful and grinds up food quickly, and is equipped with dishwasher-safe components and a handy touchpad that makes things easy to control. The steel blades are reversible and is backed by an 18-month warranty. It includes a spatula. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food choppers, or simply click beneath this video.